A helmet thief was arrested at RMS Chowmuhani in front of Aparupa store in the capital on Monday night. Later, the West Agartala police took the thief to the police station. The public assumes the thief might involve in narcotic abuse. Ahead of Puja, the nuisance of thieves has increased in the cities and suburbs. Meanwhile, a gang of thieves is grabbing the helmet left on the bike. As a result, two-wheeler drivers have to face difficulties. Despite having CCTV cameras all over the city, the police failed to catch these thieves. Meanwhile, locals arrested a helmet thief from RMS Chowmuhani area of Agartala on Monday night. Several stolen helmets were recovered from his bag. The helmet thief fell in the face of public anger. The police came after receiving the news. Later, they took this thief into their custody. Everyone guessed that he organized this theft to raise money for drug addiction. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.